Hey guys, this is Liam Patrick with Fstoppers.com. We wanted to let you know 5-day deals for this year is starting right now. And this is the biggest 5-day deals I've ever seen. Over $5,700 in products for just $152. It's like 97% off.
Yeah, you can't beat that deal.
Yeah, so go to the link in the description right now. You have 5 days to get this. It's literally the best deal in all of photography. And this year, we're putting in the art behind the headshot, the very first full-length tutorial that we ever made with Peter Hurley. This tutorial, in many cases, might be our highest rated tutorial ever. People absolutely love this thing because it's unlike any other photography tutorial out there.
For me, I have to say, this changed the way that I shoot people more than anything I've ever watched or been a part of.
Make sure that you go to the link in the description below right now. You can check out the 3 different packages. Keep in mind that the final package, the one that's $152 for everything, is the only one that includes Peter Hurley's The Art Behind the Headshot. But if people would like to learn more about what this product is and what 5-day deals is including, stick around. We're going to talk about this stuff in a little bit more detail. So the Art Behind the Headshot was one of our first tutorials that we ever made. We had done some short YouTube stuff, but this is a 4-hour-long tutorial we did with Peter Hurley. And we expected it to be kind of a standard photography tutorial, and it turned into something completely different. Instead of Peter talking about his cameras and the lighting and what settings he uses and how to edit photos, he didn't want to go into any of that.
Instead, he talks a lot about the psychology behind taking a headshot and how to get people to look comfortable in front of your camera. It was pretty eye-opening when we filmed this.
Yeah, I think Peter has this crazy idea that, the average person may not know how to make themselves look best, especially in front of the camera. They start feeling uncomfortable, they don't really know how to act, and that shows on their face.
And what's so crazy about this tutorial is this is a skill set that every photographer needs to know how to do, not just headshot photographers.
Yep.
Any person that's dealing with a stranger in front of your camera, it's the most valuable technique I've ever learned in all of my years of dealing with the photography industry.
Yeah, we were both wedding photographers for years.
I use all of these techniques.
Absolutely, every single wedding. These brides, they've never posed in front of the camera before, but I felt so comfortable that I could get them comfortable for each and every shot. It just completely changed the way that I went into photo shoots. So when we created this tutorial, it was $300, and it's been $300 for years now. It's $152, but you're also getting $5,600 in other products as well, which is absolutely crazy. When you go to the website, you'll see a basic bundle for $89, you'll see a charity bonus bundle for $24, and then you'll see a pro add-on bonus for an additional $39. Again, all of these combined are $152. The $152 package is the one that comes with the Fstoppers product, the Art Behind the Headshot.
So people ask us all the time, how is this real? Is this a scam? Why would you guys be giving all of this away for 97% off?
Well, there's so many different big companies involved in this, and the products are so good, and the discounts across the entire board are so big. It's actually worth it for us to include our product and have this big of a discount simply because we can make so many sales. One other thing that you'll notice when you go to 5-day deals is that a portion of every single sale goes to a charity. You can check out the charities on the website. They are awesome causes, and it's one more reason why this is the best deal in photography.
So if you want to get this amazing package, go to the description below, hit the link. You only have 5 days to pick this up. This is by far the best deal in all of photography.
And it will probably take you the next year to go through all of the stuff you're gonna get.